In front of me is INFINIX Zero and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now to create a new one, use this plus at the top right one. Finally, you can adjust it however you want to. Begin by setting up an hour at the top. And tapping on repeat or clicking on this switcher next to delete this alarm after ringing if you wish to get rid of it right away. If you decided to pick repeat, click on days of the week that you wish to set up. To save them, hit done at the bottom right corner. Then choose alarm sound. Click on add new and pick any song from your smartphone or select one of those sounds, like for example, ding. Now click on label and label your alarm however you want to if you want to. Then select done. Finally, click on snooze and pick how many minutes your snooze will take. Last but not least, use this switcher next to vibrate while ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. When you're ready to save it, hit this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To make some changes, click on it, change wherever you want to, and tap on the same check mark. To turn it off completely, use green switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by tapping on the same, now gray one. Lastly, to get rid of your alarm, just hold it and click delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!